So this segment is going to be about solving systems of inequalities. So this isn't any different than solving systems of equations, except it's with inequalities instead of equations. And remember, when we graph inequalities, the only difference is we get the whole shading. So remember, when we graph, it's where both of our lines or our functions intersect. Like, where are they the same? And so since I'm going to be shading, it's going to be where is my shading the same? So where do they overlap? So we're first going to graph the first inequality. So I have negative x minus 2. So negative 2 is my y-intercept. So I start there. My slope is negative 1. That means I go up 1 over 1 in the negative direction. So my line goes down. So my points should be around there. Okay? I'm going to make my line. Now, remember, it's a solid line because it's a closed circle because it's less than or equal to. So I'm going to graph my line. Now I'm going to shade. Y is less than. So where does my y get smaller? It gets smaller over here. So this area is where the solution to this inequality. Okay? Alright, so that's 1. Now I have to do the other. Since it's a system, it has more than 1. So now I'm going to graph my other inequality. So y is greater than or equal to negative 5x plus 2. So my y-intercept is positive 2. My slope is negative 5 over 1. So it's also going to go in the negative direction, but I'm going to go down 5 over 1. See, they intersect right here. Okay, so I'm going to go down. I'm just going to make a guess, somewhere around there. Alright, so now I'm going to combine connect my dots. So it should look something like this. Alright, so now where is my y greater? So this one's a little harder to see, but my y's are getting bigger right here. Right? So this is the side of my line I'm going to shade. Now, look for where is my graph purple, because pink and blue make purple. It's this tiny little area right there. So that would be my solution to the system of inequalities. So if I try another one, let's do number 2. So y is greater than negative x minus 2. So I'm going to graph the first one. So negative 2 is my y-intercept, so there's my point. My slope is negative 1. So I'm going to go down 1 over 1, the negative direction. Now, is it a solid line or an open line? It's going to be open because it's just greater than. There's no equal to, so it's an open circle, so it's an open line. So I'm going to draw my dotted line. Okay? Now, y is greater than that function, which means where my y is getting larger, this direction. So this part of my line is where I shade. Alright, now let's do our other line. So negative 5x plus 2, I go positive 2 is my y-intercept. I go down 5 over 1. So now I'm going to graph this. It's also going to be a dotted line because it's not. It's an open circle, so it's going to be an open line. And then I'm talking about y is less than this function. So less than is this direction right here. So it's this side of my line that I'm going to shade for my blue function. Now where are they the same? In this area right here. So this area, any point in this area is a solution to the system. So if I were to choose the point like negative 1, positive 2 right there, that would be a solution because it's in the shaded region. If I were to choose a point like 3, 1, 3, 1 is not a solution to the system. It's a solution to this function, my first function, but it's not a solution of my blue function, just my pink. It has to be a solution for both. Alright, remember, if you have any questions, just write them on the discussion board and I will answer them as soon as I can.